Hi, my name is Marmar and I'm a passionate software developer. I'm currently studying DevOps engineering at LSET. In this video, I'll be diving into the world of Jenkins pipeline, which is a DevOps methodology and a powerful feature of the Jenkins automation server. It enables developers to define and manage the entire software delivery process as code, allowing for continuous integration and continuous delivery. Jenkins pipeline is a set of instructions that define how your software is built, tested, and deployed. By using Jenkins pipeline, you can create a script that represents your entire build, test, and deployment process. You can ensure that every change to your code base goes through a standardized process, improving quality and reducing manual errors. You can also ensure consistent and reliable software delivery while also benefiting from version control and easy collaboration with your team. Jenkins pipeline has so many key features and benefits. Let's explore some of them. First, code as infrastructure. You can define your pipeline as code, enabling version control and easy sharing. The second benefit can be scalability, which can be achieved by distributing pipeline execution across multiple agents. With Jenkins pipelines, you also have flexibility. You can customize your pipeline with various stages, steps, and integrations. Another benefit is continuous delivery. You can automate build, test, and deployment process for faster and more reliable software delivery. Here's an example of Jenkins pipeline that validates, compiles, and packages a Maven project. We are in Jenkins application. We give a name to our job, pipeline example, click on pipeline, and then hit OK. Let's scroll down. At the bottom of the screen is the place where you can add your scripts. I've already prepared the script, so I just paste it here. Let's make it bigger so you can see the entire script and the entire script. As you see in the picture, stage 1, validate. Use the checkout step to fetch the source code from the version control system. I use my GitHub and run the men validate command to validate the Maven project. This step checks if the project structure is correct and if all necessary dependencies are available. Stage 2, compile. Run the men compile command to compile the Maven project. This step compiles the source code, checks for any compilation errors, and generates the compiled bytecode. Stage 3, package. Run the men package command to package the Maven project. This step creates an executable artifact such as a jar file or a WAR file that can be deployed. Optionally, you can specify additional configurations or goals in the men package command based on your project requirements, such as skipping tests or generating additional documentation. I also like to mention that the above stages assume that you have a Jenkins agent with Maven installed and configured. After you save your project in Jenkins, the Build Now button triggers an immediate execution of the pipeline without waiting for any schedule or trigger events. In Jenkins pipelines, once the pipeline is executed or when it's in progress, as you can see in the video, you can see the stage view. In the context of a pipeline, stage view typically refers to a visual representation of the pipeline. It allows development teams to monitor the progress of the software delivery process, track the status of each stage, and identify any bottlenecks or issues that may arise during the pipeline execution. As you can see all the stages: validate, compile, test, package, post actions based on the script that we save. And all the stages are green. It means it was successful. If it was not, it could be a different color. I think it's red. And then on the left side, you can click on the console output to see report of what it was done in each stages, and if there was any error or anything, or it was done successfully. In this video, we explore the power of Jenkins pipeline, a tool that enables you to define and manage your software delivery pipeline as code. If you have any questions or would like to connect with me, feel free to reach out via email at marmar.day.uk@gmail.com. You can also find me on LinkedIn for further networking opportunities and collaborations. Thank you so much for joining me in this.